Hello everyone, welcome to Study Quest. Today in this video, I'm going to explain APSC means answer writing for the one of the Assam Tribune editorial, and this is going to be very useful for your upcoming APSC means. And in today's video, it will deal mainly with GS-1 Society Ethics and GS-5 Assam paper. So this is one of the most important video for your upcoming APSC mains exam. So don't miss this and see the whole video because this is going to be very helpful for you. So this is the article that I took from Assam Tribune, and it is about school education system in Assam. So it is written by Deepayan, and he mentions that quality school education in Assam continues to decline despite various government interventions and infrastructural efforts. So I have prepared one question and answer for you guys from this article, and it is going to be very useful for your upcoming APSC mains exam, and it may come in GS-5 part. So stay tuned and just see how I have written the answer. But remember one thing, just don't copy my answer. Prepare your own answer, give your own example, because this is what the examiner demands. If your answer is same like me, then many more people are seeing or watching my video right now, and they may write these same examples or the same intro part, and this may hamper your marks. Okay, the question that I made for you guys is, despite multiple government interventions and flagship schemes, the education system in Assam continues to face challenges of quality, access, and equity. Critically examine the factors behind the decline and suggest measures to strengthen the sector. So this is the question that I have framed, and let's see how I have written my answer. Again, I am telling you, write your own answer, give your own example, don't copy my answer. It is just a standard answer that I'm giving you, and you can just take some ideas from my answer. Please don't copy it. So this is the introduction that I have written. I have started like this, that education is the backbone of human development and social progress. Despite various government schemes such as Gunotsav, Disha, Mid-day Meal Scheme, Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan and Digital Initiative, Assam's education system continued to struggle with low learning outcomes, dropouts and infrastructural gaps. So in the intro part only, I have mentioned all the things that the question was demanding. So you can give answers like this. Now in the body part, I will just elaborate these points, right? So make your introduction strong, because this is what is going, this will impact the examiner, and they will know that okay, you know about it. You are going to answer, or you are going to explain a lot from the introduction. So there will be high chance of getting good marks from your intro. So give your introduction the best. So now the body part. So at first I have just mentioned the problems in Assam's education system, and I have written it in point 5. So first point that I have mentioned is quality of education. So poor learning outcomes. So ASER, that is the annual status of education report. So you have to mention, this type of report, and this and the examples you have to give. You have to prepare these things earlier before exam. You have to memorize those reports, you have to memorize the examples, okay, and give sorry means make a list of such reports and examples as much as possible, but not that much that you don't retain. Make those list as much as you can retain, okay. So I was telling, that poor learning outcomes, that is annual status report of education, shows many students in rural Assam fail to perform basic reading and arithmetic and at grade appropriate levels. For example, in Gunoship 2023, nearly 40% schools were graded C and D, reflecting low quality. Next, that I have mentioned the problem is that infrastructure gaps. So many schools lack toilet, libraries, science labs, and digital tools. Flood-prone districts like Borpeta, Dhemaji, and Majuli often see damage to school buildings, disrupting studies. So number three is that teacher shortage and training deficit. So large number of vacancies in government schools, especially in rural or the remote areas. The teachers often assign non-academic duties. So we have seen these problems, right? That a teacher are given non-academic duties like the election duties, census, and nursery verifications, etc. So these duties are actually not for the teachers. You know what teachers are meant to? They are meant to give education, but they are assigned with these non-academic duties. So number four is high dropout rates like the social economic factors like poverty, early marriage, child labor, then tribal and charged areas, that is girls dropping out due to lack of secondary educations or secondary schools near their locality. The fifth point is that equity issues like the language barriers for Boro, missing Karbi and T tribe communities, then urban rural divide in access to English medium and digital learning. Number six is that P policy and implementation gaps. So many schemes remain underfunded or poorly monitored. For example, Digital Assam initiative has not reached many rural areas with poor internet connectivity. So say if you are staying in a remote area of Assam, you don't have the internet access, then how you will be able to access the Digital Assam initiative? Yes, this initiative is very good, but if you don't have the internet, if you don't have the electricity properly in your area, then how you are going to get the benefit? So then I have mentioned some of the government interventions, that means some of the government schemes like the Gunotra Assam, which where school evaluation and quality improvement is been taken. Then midday meal scheme like nutrition plus enrollment. Then Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, holistic education. Then Chief Minister special scholarship scheme for tea garden students. And then CM's digital learning portal and online classes during COVID-19. So you can give other examples like the Nichut Moina, many more are there. So you can give all those examples. Then I have given the solutions to strengthen Assam's education system. So first is quality improvement. So first and the foremost thing you can do is strengthen teacher training through SCRT and diets. Then introduce activity-based learning and multilingual education for tribal communities. The number second, it is that infrastructure development, special flood resilient school models in flood prone districts, then improve digital infrastructure, smart classrooms, free tablets, community internet hubs, etc. Then addressing dropouts. So expand residential schools for char and tea garden areas. Then provide scholarships and conditional cash transfers to encourage girls' education. So this cash transfer, we have seen that people are getting it. Through which scheme? Mentioned in the comment. I think you all are aware of the scheme through which cash transfers are given to not only the girls but normal means normal graduates and the postgraduate also. So mention in the comment which scheme I'm talking about. Next is teacher recruitment and accountability. So fill teacher vacancies on priority and reduce non-teaching duties, ensure performance-linked promotions. The number five is community and local participation. Strengthen school management committees, then involve local NGOs in education awareness, especially in tea tribe and tribal belts. Number six is policy and monitoring. So real-time digital dashboards to track attendance, dropouts, and performance is very much necessary in Assam right now, and decentralized planning through district education councils. So this is what I have written in the body part. Now comes the conclusion. So I will conclude like this, that education in Assam suffers not just from the lack of schemes but from weak implementation, poor monitoring, and deep-rooted social economic barriers. A multi-dimensional approach improving quality, inclusivity, and resilience is essential to transform Assam's education system into a driver of human development and social justice. So with these, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.